What's up, guys? It's me again. Today we are doing Wizard 101, and we're gonna do the doing spells. We're gonna do the quest that our fire teacher gives us. So yeah, and then so quiet. Nice. Okay, so we're going to Ravenwood. No, okay, we're going to Ravenwood and see what's up. Sorry in the background, I have a fan going, so yeah. Okay. Plus I'm playing Boom Beach too, so 3 hours? Okay. So, like I said, we gotta go to the counselor, my fire teacher, see that new spell, the volcano. Look what you did for me.
How good of you to drop by.
Well,
I have some wonderful news. According to my notes, you are due for a new spell. Congratulations. You'll need to do a bit the spell. First, you should go at once to speak with Tupatawa, the counselor to the water moles in Celestia's floating land. Get to it.
I'm gonna find it. I got so many freaking quests. I want to talk to this guy. Where is it? It is there it is. Let's go. Look at what you made of me. Alright, here we go. We're gonna learn the Rain of Fire. Okay, so let's go. Yeah. We're going to the Watermole Village. Alright, now we're closer. Where is that? Oh, one chest. Right. That's the key. This guy knows a lot about volcanoes if I can get them.
Fire Wizard, you seek know-how about Rain of Fire spell? What long ago, water moles did not know how or when volcanoes were born. Bad time. Wizards who want to summon Rain of Fire. Bested, I teach you ritual to call Rain of Fire. But you need
Tupatawa teaches you. You will need to get that missing piece from your teacher, Dahlia Falmea.
Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, we're going down there. Alright. I'm going to this person.
I assume you learned the ritual. Tupatawa told you that the rain of fire. I have some the list. The horde. Go to Dragonspire. Speak to Milos Bookworm. Recover the list of volcano spirits.
Oh, we gotta go to Dragonspire and fight the Hoarder again. Oh yes, I fought the Hoarder on my Death Wizard. He's a death person. I have to fight him on mine. I win. You suck. So we gotta go to Dragonspire. World of Dragons. Okay. Okay, we should be okay. To make sure I'm gonna have to delete some of these. And some of these. Look what you made of. And I kind of resist a lot and do a lot of damage, so I think I'll be fine. Alright, so we gotta fight the Hoarder. Yes, his name is actually the Hoarder. What's this? Yes, it. Got a lava lily. Lava lily. Like, once you enter Dragonspire, you're like level 40. Yeah. There he is.
Greetings, young wizard. It's been a while since I last saw you. How are your studies, bro? A list of volcano spirit names? The Hoarder? That sounds... I am reluctant to tell you, but I am certain you will not leave without it. The Hoarder, if you wish to recover this list of... It's so difficult to remember all that our we thought that the Dragon Titan would destroy the library, so we hid the volumes throughout Dragonspire. Could you bring them back to me?
Okay, how close is this? That's very close. Alright, here we go, guys. The Hoarder battle.
I should lock the door to my tower, but it would keep me from such wonderful entertainment. Enter and face your doom.
Alright, so I'm a Fire Wizard versus a Death. Oh, I didn't get those pips. Okay, so we have 8,000 health. I'm gonna Blade. I'm glad I resist a lot. Or this boss fight will be hard. And 400 is not bad. Did he can weakness me? Nope, he just can't. Okay. Alright, now I have that. I'm gonna do this. Another one? Okay, he's shielding. Like a douchebag. Nice. I think I need more probably. I think I deleted them all. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Please be. Okay. And I got the card I needed. Okay, so I'm gonna heal this round. I don't want to take another hit. He double weakness me. Oh, once I get a double, what the? Okay, I'm back, guys. So, I'm gonna discard this. I got 2 dragons. I'm gonna trap the boss. Huh. That fight's gonna be fun because I got no one spells with the weakness spell. What is he gonna weakness me again? No, he's just gonna do that. Oh, thank you. Let me do those on him. Okay, I have to go back to resisting. He has 2 pips. Alright, next round I hit. Come on. Come on, we can beat this guy. Don't weakness me. Don't you do it. We're gonna do level 1 spell. Come on, just pass. Just pass this turn. And I just hope I don't fizzle. Don't, no weakness. No. Okay, he just, okay. That's good, I'll take that. Come on, critical. Damn. Boom. Oh, that's good damage. Oh, killed him. Alright, Hoarder is down. Okay, Hoarder is down a lot of health now. Looks good. Now I'm gonna kill myself. Oh, don't heal, you little scumbag. He's a little scumbag, he's healing. Ow. You wanna do that to me? Okay, then I'll just heal. Okay, let's see. I can do an Ifrit on him. Will that do enough damage though? I wonder. Okay. Guys, I got an idea. I'm gonna try an Ifrit on him. And he's gonna... Okay, he's gonna do 915. Okay. That's kind of long. I just gotta wait. Fine, still keep getting it. I'm doing that spell, it's annoying. Alright. Got the Ifrit we want. Okay. Oh, he's smart. I can do that too. We both have... Okay. Double... Can we heal right here? If I can critical, that would be good. Oh, okay. 3 rounds for me, 3 rounds for him. Two. Cool, now I got a talent shield. And you fizzle. It's a great day for me. Okay, I'm gonna pass this turn. You're not gonna get much out of that account. Come on, just blade yourself. Make yourself look stupid. No. Don't do that. Oh, you're still gonna get it. Come on, just do a ton of damage to him. Oh! Will I kill him? Will I kill him? Oh, what the... Guys, I killed him. I killed him.
It will not aid you against my queen, Morganthe. She will strike from the dark heart of the Shadowland and destroy everything you have ever known.
You search the bookshelf and find the list of volcano names. You should take it to Professor Falmea in Ravenwood.
Okay. Alright, so we're doing the Rain of Fire spell, and yeah, okay, so we gotta go back to our teacher, see what she says.
Well done. Now you've got to let us have the area in front of Shellis Gruffheart should serve perfectly.
Oh, do I have to fly there? That was a tough battle. Not really. I'm your lover till you're not, man. What do you think of me? What do you think of me? Damn. Okay, so we're going. Far Canal, you know. I'm running with my dragon. Okay, we don't want to run into minions, but I'm gonna fight. Hey, you gotta look at the bazaar, see what he has. Alright, we're getting closer. Getting closer. What the? What is that? Oh, him. Right here.
This looks like the right place. You speak the ritual, call upon volcano spirit, wait for the rain of fire. You think you can handle the heat?
Huh. Rude. Do 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 do.
You look like you've been standing close to a fire. Excellent work. I am proud to teach
There
you
we
to
go.
call upon the rain of fire.
Looks like it doesn't do much damage. Actually, it does do way more damage. I'll buy you free. I won't miss you. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you dudes in the next video.